I'm Michelle from Legal Suite, and this is part 2 of Reminders, Creating an Appointment in Outlook. Now, please note that for the purposes of this webinar, I'm using a matter that I've already created, as well as a diary entry or reminder that I've already created. Okay, so standing on my matter, I click on the Reminders tab, and here is the reminder that I created for the 23rd of December, client calling at the office. Now, if you use your Outlook diary system for appointments, for inviting others, for synced calendars, and so on and so forth, you can instruct Legal Suite to send this appointment through to your Outlook diary. Now, this is obviously an appointment. The client is calling at the office. It has a start time, it has an end time, and you can then send them through accordingly. Right, so this can be done on the fly. So it can be done as you insert the reminder. I, however, am going to use one that I have already used. So I'm going to simply click on the change button and open up the reminder. So there it is with all its information. And I am now going to use this option here that says create an appointment in Outlook. Right, so I click on the little checkbox. I say OK, and the adding appointment screen will open. So it will pick up the date on which you set the reminder. So here I set the reminder for the 23rd. It's set it for the 23rd. And what the program will do is it'll simply take the file reference, the matter description, and the description of the reminder in question. So you can set your start time, your duration, and if you would like the Outlook program to remind you beforehand, you can also create a separate reminder, and you can put the location and so on and so forth. Now, this is a push system in that Legal Suite will now push this information through to Outlook. If anything changes, you would need to change the reminder in Legal Suite and resend it through to Outlook. Right, so I say OK. And if I go into Outlook and to my calendar, I will then be able to see that there on the 23rd of December is my appointment set for 12 o'clock. Now, it is from here that you would invite attendees and so on and so forth. So if I open it up, I can then invite people and so on and so forth. So remember, if you make any changes to this, you will need to make the change in Legal Suite and then push it through to Outlook and set up a new appointment.